How to unzip files in Android. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can unzip files in Android. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So for that, you can install the application from the Play Store. So open up the Play Store in your mobile device, tap on the search icon at the bottom right, and in the search bar search for R Extractor. So you have to install this application in your mobile device in order to unzip your zip files. Now open up the application. You have to allow access to all the files. Then you can go back. After that, you have to select the zip files that you would like to unzip. For example, I will just choose one of the random file right here. So once you have selected the file, at the top of this interface there you will have this option to unzip the file. You have to tap on that. Now you have to add your destination path where you like to save your files on. Then tap on OK from the bottom right corner, and with that your zip file will be unzipped in your Android device. And under your desired or your selected path you will find all your files. And that's how you can unzip files on Android. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.